would you recommend to new traders that are starting out?
Watch my webinars, read my book. Simple.
You teach people, obviously, to trade. What are the most common mistakes that you see traders make?
All the things we mentioned, overtrading, starting with a too smaller account, unrealistic expectations. It's not nothing to do with learning or ability to trade. As human beings, we always try to find the easiest way to do any task, and that's something you can't drum out of people easily. You know, they always think they know a little bit better, and that's why women are a lot easier to teach to trade than the men, because women listen to you and they go and do it, whereas men listen to you and they do what they want. And that's what I was guilty of, you know, being told what to do and just did whatever I wanted. And it takes you a long time, a lot of money sometimes to realise that, you know, some of the old lessons in trading are there for a reason. You know, there are old traders, there are bold traders, there are no old bull traders, for instance, that springs to mind, and they don't really change. So stop trying to reinvent the wheel.
Did you have any mentors or anyone that influenced you in the way? No? Just that guy that turned up in the Ferrari one day and you were like...
Just that guy, yeah, and it was just kind of like, yeah, he turned out to be an absolute bleep, 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 but whatever, you know what I mean? It's kind of, you know, people influence your life in lots of different ways, and he just happened to be a trader. He wasn't the kind of pivotal turning point in my life.
It was the car, wasn't it? It was the car that was...
Well, you know, a good Ferrari's a good Ferrari, you know, you got to respect for people that have good taste.
If I mention trading and Forex, do you associate that with gambling?
I mean, you can't get away from, you know, trading as a form of gambling. You know, it's a calculated edge, risk, whatever. You know, punting's punting. You know, sticking 10 quid in a horse, you know, you lose your 10 quid, you get 50 quid back. That's fine. You know, if you go into trading with the gambling mentality, then you can lose a lot more than you put in. So, yeah, there's certain similarities and characteristics, but, you know, why the professional gamblers? You know, people that have an edge. You know, people that, you know, use that edge and make money. You know, a punter's a punter.
What advice would you give to somebody who wants to... What advice would you give to somebody who wants to trade in currencies?
Just understand the market you're trading. Understand, you know, the correlations, coefficients. You know, why markets are moving. The pound's selling off because of the uncertainty with Brexit. Doesn't necessarily mean the euro is going to follow. You know, understand why markets are trading in the way they are. That's a key to trading Forex. You know, you're essentially trading GDP. You know, you're trading performance figures, you know, anything like that. If you're trading the euro dollar, you're thinking, will the euro area be stronger than the dollar, than the US? No, that's not going to happen. So, you know, you keep selling the euro dollar to parity, and that's it. That's my tip, guys. Sell the euro to parity. It's going to happen.